Ever been stuck filling out a form, copying one thing after another, doing the same copy-paste dance over and over, name, email, phone, address? Sound familiar? Well, what if I told you there's a simple feature in Windows that could change everything? You'll be able to copy multiple items at once, and here's the kicker. Most people don't even know this feature exists. Keep watching because I'm about to reveal how you can unlock this time-saving hack in just seconds. There's a better way built right into Windows: Clipboard History. This feature lets you copy multiple items at once and easily access them later, saving you from recopying the same info. Let's get into it. First, open the Start menu, type Settings, and select it. Once you're in Settings, click on System. Then scroll down to Clipboard. Here you'll find the option for Clipboard History. Simply toggle it on, and boom, you're all set. Now, whenever you copy something, it won't disappear. Now, let's see it in action. Once Clipboard History is enabled, let's copy multiple things from a document. Copying items works just like normal. But now, when you press Windows plus V, you'll see a list of everything you've copied recently. Whether it's text from a document, a link from a website, or an address from your emails, they'll all show up here. You can scroll through and select which item you want to paste. No more recopying. Let's take a real-life example. You can copy all the info you need: your name, email, phone number, and more. After copying all the required text from your document, go to the location where you want to paste it. Now, press Windows key plus V. The clipboard history will appear. Simply select and paste the text where you need it, as shown in the video. This feature is perfect for researchers, content creators, or anyone who deals with multiple bits of info at once. If this tip saved you time, go ahead and hit that like button. Let me know in the comments how this feature helped you, or if there are other Windows tricks you'd like to learn about. Don't forget to subscribe for more helpful tips like this every week. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay productive and take care.